So today we have none other than our very own reseller and a sneakerhead, Shreyanshu Kadam.
Hi guys, thank you for having me back here again. Pleasure to be here with you.
So today we are gonna discuss about our reselling industry and our upcoming sneakers.
Right.
Yeah. So what do you think about reselling industry? Where is it going right now?
So apparently, अभी जो अपना industry चालू है, it has been having too many changes in here, and recently the Yeezys have been very controversial.
For sure.
The two pairs that are the Dark Onyx and the Yeezy
350 Space Ash,
right?
yeah.
So what has happened apparently is that these pairs were officially made by the Adidas factory in Chennai,
Yeah.
and the consignment which was having these pairs, from what I've heard, has got stolen, and the pairs have gone for dirt prices.
Okay.
They have gone for like 4,000-5,000 for the Space Ash Yeezys and 2,000-3,000 for the Onyx, and later on it has been sold to resellers and from resellers to resellers.
Right.
And the prices come around for 15 to 17,000 for the 350s,
Below retail.
and
for
for
sure.
the slides they're going for retail. And most of you must have copped them at retail and must be very happy. So from what I know is that these pairs won't release, and these pairs are said to be the unreleased pair, but as it was stolen they have gone for very cheap, or else the unreleased pairs usually ये सब एकदम high prices पे जाता है. As we all know, we have the Orange Lobster here with us. These pairs have gone for lakh rupees, but after the release they have come down. So that's what happens in the market अभी, but for ये pairs ये तो गए अभी एकदम under MRP चले गए, and most of us have copped these, and it is a great cop for this price because the pairs are genuine, as we all know, and these products have recently even got listed on GOAT and
GOAT,
StockX.
yeah,
So
for sure.
all the things have got cleared in our minds, and people are buying and selling them freely now. And it's a great thing that India is growing and we have got our pairs back.
Right,
The
right,
production is happening here. The buyers and sellers are getting their pairs. Sellers are getting huge profits. I know personally people who have got 1,500 pairs of Yeezy slides itself.
Crazy.
And they have the stack. They have bought warehouses, and the warehouses are full of slides and the cardboard boxes of Yeezys.
Crazy.
And
Crazy.
that's what has happened for Yeezys, at least at the moment, and the market is fluctuating a lot. The slides have become too cheap because of Dark Onyx getting in the market.
The market for Onyx has gone down completely.
Yeah,
below retail actually.
right. So what has happened is that Onyx and Dark Onyx is comparatively a very similar pair.
Yeah.
And both are dark. The Dark Onyx has a slightly green tint, slightly green effect to the pair, which makes it a little different from the normal Onyx. That's the only change I feel that's there in the Dark Onyx.
Personally, which one do you prefer? The Dark Onyx or the original one, the OG ones?
I would genuinely go for the OG slides, as I've sold many pairs recently when Yeezys were cancelled. Yeezys and Adidas, Kanye West and Adidas had a controversy. In between, I've sold around 50 to 60 pairs of slide easily, and they've been sold for 18 to 20,000.
Easily, even I bought for 15k.
Yes, because people thought that the streak is over and Adidas and Kanye would never have anything back. But after this huge restock that we had on 1st of May, things have clearly changed, and market has totally got changed, and many people have got losses because of holding pairs. Because I genuinely had around 10-12 pairs for holding. I thought that I'll sell them after a year, and I'll book them for 25k and 26k. I'll sell them at a great price and a good ROI I'll get from them. But चलेगा अभी थोड़ा market तो बदलते रहता है. You never know, maybe शायद वापस बढ़ भी जाए. That's what has happened.
So what do you think? Are the Yeezy slides good for these prices? Like
I will agree that I guess the prices are very cheap, and if you're getting a genuine product, then there's not an issue. If you're getting pairs for 6,000, 7,000, it is dirt cheap prices. So all in all, I feel that market अभी थोड़े टाइम में stable हो जाएगा because जो pairs इतने बिके गए हैं, जो Space Ash, can we have the Space Ash please?
Yeah, sure.
So we have the Space Ash Yeezy 350 here. So as we all can see, the pair, the shape जो है वो perfect अपना Yeezys का है, as it has been produced by officially by Adidas.
Yeah.
So what we see here is that mostly जो problem हुई थी वो था इसका जो label है. The label जो अभी सर्च कर रहे थे, the product ID when we were searching on StockX and GOAT, there was no product shown. So लोगों को क्या लगा कि हाँ ये फेक ही जूता होगा मोस्टली, बिकॉज इतना चीप भी मिलता नहीं है कभी इजी.
बट लेजिट चेक एप्स पर ये एक वेरीफाइड आ रहा था.
हाँ,
Like the
so
generic pair.
what happened with legit checks was that mostly from what I know is that एक ही report, you know, many people are circulating that.
Oh.
यानी एक रिपोर्ट आया, यही सब लोग अपने बायर्स को भेज रहे थे कि भाई पेयर लेजिट है, यू नो. हर एक साइज का एक एक रिपोर्ट बना था. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट वी शुडंट ट्रस्ट 100% ऑन दीज एप्स, बिकॉज यू नो ये एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एक बॉट से चेक होके आता है
और उनको भी बिजनेस बनाना.
यस राइट, दैट्स व्हाट ये है. सो ऑल इन ऑल ये पेयर आई genuinely like this pair. The color is very
good,
subtle
good,
and you know you can pair this up with anything.
Anything.
And if you have bought this at 15,000, what's wrong with it? You're getting the comfort, you're getting the
For
style, you
sure.
have the hype with you.
Also you can use this for your beaters like
Right,
daily use.
right. And Yeezys are a very perfect combination with any outfit you go. And these don't have leather, these don't crease as well.
Yeah, that's the best part. And
And
also they're comfortable. You
Yeah,
can
they're
wear them
very
for long
comfortable.
run.
They're very comfortable to be honest. And the boost that we have here, obviously, when you buy them, they're not that comfy. But when you keep wearing them, the foam gets compressed, and you know the shoe starts to get worn out. And the shoes becomes even more comfortable. So that's what it is with the Yeezys, and it's a very beautiful pair. I genuinely would love this pair, and I rock I have 3 to 4 Yeezy 350s, and I keep them on my rotation. Like I can't be without Yeezys to be honest, because Yeezys are part.
must for a sneakerhead.
So I have the pair of slides which I keep for my normal days when I go out, and I carry my pairs everywhere where I go for my occasions or let's say parties or anything. I take them with me.
Okay. Also we have the new slides called as Azure, I guess.
Right. We have the Azure, the
Can
blue
we
ones.
add the Azure?
So now this is a pair of Yeezy Slide Azure, and in the first look that we see here is that it is a very vibrant color and कुछ तो नया है from the normal, because we have the black, the white and the green. This is something very vibrant, and when you look at it, it is something very different. So people have genuinely liked this pair a lot, and the GS pairs in this, like the UK 6, UK 7 is going for a crazy amount of price. UK 11, 12 तो अभी इंडिया में है ही नहीं. Like people are selling it at 18,000. Like I have seen clients ready to pay like 18 grand, but the pairs aren't there. So ये भी हो गया है. So because of the color being very new to the market,
completely.
and this is the first time a pair has released of Azure.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the thing.
Unlike the Onyx.
The Raisin, the Bone,
many times.
and the Pure. Pure has been the most restocked Yeezy slide in my opinion.
For sure.
Because the pair has been sold out every time that comes, and Yeezy slides हमेशा sold out हो ही जाते हैं. Because I personally know people who stand for like 3 to 4 days outside Adidas stores, and उधर ही उनका roll calls होते हैं. Like what happens is that in the store drops, Adidas अपना एक watchman रखता है रात भर के लिए, like 2-3 days before the drop, and they maintain a list. And I know people, who stand in line for 3-4 days. You pay them like 500,000 rupees.
Just for standing.
Yeah, just for standing there. They have to do nothing. Like every 2 to 3 hours, they just come there, and they'll be standing there. They'll be saying that Baba, I'm present. And if they are not there, their name is striked out.
Oh.
So you don't get your chance there. And if once it's striked out, once it is striked out, you don't get your chance, and then you're done. You have to go back home. So that's the thing.
Have you ever camped out?
Yeah, I have camped out, because in my earlier days, when I was very new to the reselling, because that was the only source,
Yeah.
Like you can't, cash out a lot. Yes, you don't get retail, because abhi itna competition ho gaya in the sneaker market. Every other day, I see new people starting.
Resellers.
There are new resellers. In our place itself, in Thane, we have so many people that are coming up, and it is great to see people starting their own business. In my after the video that we have put on our YouTube.
Also about that video is gonna hit 200k views. So please subscribe and like the video and share as many as possible.
So I was genuinely very surprised, when the video reached 100k, and it was a very proud moment for me, to be honest, and for my family, as it was the first time, when we were featuring me, and I was first time on YouTube, to be honest. And it was a great experience, having everyone here, and talking about something which I love, which people love to hear. Sneakers have been something everyone has been wanting since they were small. Right?
Sure.
But सबका कुछ ना कुछ issue रहता है. No one wants to pay 60,000 for a pair of shoes, or 20,000 for a pair of slides. सबका ये नहीं रहता है. And people save up for that shoe, and
for the first pair.
For the first pair, because I have my first pair and I've kept them very nicely, you know, like they're in their crates, and
Okay.
you know, I have resembled a lot to that pair because
Okay.
I always wanted a sneaker.
Oh.
And you know that when the first pair came in, it is very close to my heart. It was Jordan 1 High prototype,
Prototype.
and that was a retailed up from SNKRS.
Wow.
That was the first time I copped something, and I was like, the sneaker gods might get upset if I don't keep them. So I just kept them, and you know, they are a very good shoe. The reflective,
for sure.
reflective, they are reflective around the swoosh, and it was something new. वो पहली बार आया था कि you know ऐसे side में कुछ तो हो जो reflective है. And after that, handcraft also came.
Okay.
A craft, a Jordan 1 High craft.
Okay.
You know, which was similar to that, and mochas,
Yeah,
जो थोड़ा
mochas are-
mochas की तरह है. You know, and people loved that, and both of those shoes are selling for 22,000 plus. And you know, the Jordan market in that sense is, you know, very stable, because एक बार जो drop हो जाता है ना, उसका restock होने के chances नहीं आगे.
बहुत
But
rare
whereas Yeezys है, Yeezys every 2 months restock होते रहता था. But अभी, as we all know, अभी जो stock Yeezy ने बनाया था, they will be selling that, and after that it is the end to Yeezy. So I'll
Say
genuinely
bye-bye to Yeezy.
So according to the market right now, I'll suggest everyone to, you know, buy some pairs and keep them for a while.
Yeah.
Because
Hold them.
after a year, I can assure you that it will give at least 100% ROI, or at least you will make 5 to 6 grand on each
Easy,
pair.
easy.
Because once these pair go out and the production is stopped, the labeling is stopped, these might even touch. You can sell a pair of 350s for 50 grand. You never know.
Never
Because that's what investment are. These are all in all an asset for you all. You all might see that, you know, shoes है लोग खरीद रहे हैं, but you never know. फिर लोग लेते हैं but खरीद के, you know, they keep them, they store them, and they sell them at a higher cost. I have
Yeah,
2
at
to
a
3 pairs
premium
in my
price.
collection, you know.
Okay.
I have the Jordan 1 Low Voodoo, and
Crazy details on that pair.
right, and the Jordan 4 Topaz.
Yeah.
Topaz, the brown
Yeah,
pair.
yeah, I know.
Right. I have these 2 pairs, and you know, I bought them at dirt cheap prices. I got the Voodoos for 24,000.
That is a
And
steal, man.
that's a very fucking steal. And then I got the AJ4 Topaz for around 30,000.
Again, a good deal.
Right. And the Topaz I have buyers at, you know, around 40-45 right now.
Okay.
And for the Voodoos I have 40,000 cash ready buyers. But I'm not
Easily,
selling them because what has happened that ये जो shoes है, the Voodoos, it is a collaboration between Jordan and Zion Williamson.
Yeah, yeah.
Zion Williamson is a very great basketballer, you all might be knowing. And it is the first collaboration of Jordan 1 Low and Zion Williamson. So, you know, the shoe has a crazy detailing. It is about, you know, अलग-अलग type के materials है उस पे. You have, you know, hidden things. The पीछे का जो Jordan logo, it is tilted. And when you flip
Also,
it,
the wings logo
yeah,
is inverted.
the wings logo is inverted, and then the shoe is, you know, giving a little Halloween type of vibes and everything. The shoe is all in all a super pair. And whereas the Jordan 4 Topaz is a very classic pair, been released in 2021ish, and sells for a good price. And you know, not many pairs are there in India of that pair.
Yeah.
So if I was to be buying a pairs, I'll always go for Jordans
Okay.
instead of Yeezys.
Jordans over easy.
Yes, Jordans over Yeezys for investment point of view.
Okay.
But for comfort and daily wear, these
Yeezys
babies
are your go-to.
These babies are a go. I'll always prefer these.
Anyways, going to the next round, what is your personal favorite silhouette in Jordans?
For Jordans, I'll be going for Jordan 1 highs because that's what started the Jordans.
Yeah.
We all know that in 1985, Michael Jordan started wearing the Jordan 1 high.
Yeah.
The band colorway and
Yeah,
the,
yeah.
you know,
We know the
Chicago
storyline.
colorways. Yes, the storyline which happened, and you know, as NBA never wanted their shoes to be
Yeah,
black and
yeah.
red, so the
Even
shoe
they paid
that
the fine, I
they
heard.
Nike, what happened was that Michael Jordan was wearing them continuously, and Nike was ready to pay whatever NBA was asking.
Yeah.
The Basketball Federation, whatever they were asking, Nike was readily paying. And after that, you know, shoes were at that time, you know, they were selling for $60
Yeah,
and
yeah, very
$80. In India, we never got those pairs because India में तो अभी culture
अभी
start
आया
हुआ है,
culture.
right? You're talking about the Chicagos, and Chicagos in current date, you know, you won't find a brand new pair because all those pairs, you know, have got their oxidization on the pair.
And
पूरा
even
pair
if
yellow
we
हो
get
गया
a
है.
pair that goes for around 2, 3, 4 lakhs, how much?
The pair must be going around 15 lakh plus.
15
The
lakhs.
1985 OG pair goes for 15 lakh plus, and you won't find that pair, you know, in a wearable condition. Because जूते का क्या हो जाता है, after so many years ना crumble होने चालू हो जाता है. एंड अ ब्रांड न्यू पेयर व्हेन यू हैव नॉट वोन अ पेयर ना, जो ग्लूइंग रहती है, जो सोल रहता है, सब निकल के आ जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट वेयर योर स्नीकर्स.
Yeah.
And always wear your sneakers. Let it be Jordan 4, let it be Dunks, let it be Yeezy, let it be Dior's as well. I've seen people beating up SB Dunk Travis. I've seen people wearing Dior's. Because that's what shoes are meant for, right?
Because they are true sneaker
Right. Those are sneakerheads. Those are, you know, they work hard for their shoes and they buy them, they wear them, you know. That's a different level of, you know, love for the sneakers. You know?
Right.
That's the thing.
बट जिन लोगों ने कॉप नहीं किया 1985 वाला ओरिजिनल शिकागो, वी हैव अल्टरनेटिव टू दैट.
Yeah,
we have lost and found.
Yeah, we have lost and found. But you know, always I'll say that जो OG का vibe देगा ना,
for sure,
you can never find that in a retro shoe. ये जो बात होती है ना, like जो 1985 का pair, the leather that you will have on that pair, the legacy that the pair brings, you know, there's a very different set of story that is there behind the shoe, because that's what started it, right?
Right.
And for the lost and found, I genuinely love those pairs. I've sold around 5-6 pairs of the lost and found.
Okay.
And the pair is very beautiful in hand, but the only thing that I don't like about the pair is that pair bleeds out.
Okay.
When you take your sneaker wipes and you start, you know, cleaning them, पूरा रेड कलर आपके इस पे आ जाता है, आपके स्नीकर वाइप पे आ जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस एंड कलर पूरा ब्लीड आउट होना चालू हो जाता है. सो यू नो दैट्स अ माइनस पॉइंट ऑन दैट शू.
Right.
एंड
How much are they reselling for right now?
the big sizes UK 10 and 11 are going for 40,000 plus, 45,000 plus to be honest, and the smaller size, the 7, 8, 9 are going for 40,000 plus. In our resellers market.
Okay.
And for the end buyers, they're going for 48 plus for all sizes.
Easy.
Right, that's what has happening. And Lost and Found being a very great sneaker and a sneaker of the year, to be honest, for this year, it's a great cop.
Last year, I guess.
Last year?
Last year.
Acha. So 2022 was a great year for sneakers, and to sum up the summary for 2022, I feel that Jordan 1 High Chicago Lost and Found should be given this sneaker of the year.
Also the dunks we have in our hands.
We have the orange
lobsters, crazy pair,
great
this
detail.
Will surely be the dunk of the year in my opinion.
This should be the SB Dunks of the year. I guess these were released in 2022 as well.
22. In the December month, I guess.
December-ish, yes.
Yeah.
So about this pair, I'll tell that this pair has a great history again. The pair started with a yellow pair of lobsters that came in, and those sell for $25,000 plus. And you know, you won't find a pair again of those. The thing with lobsters is that every time they release, there is something different with the color that they do.
Yeah.
The shape, or there's no difference in anything, but the color that will be there, it will change. So first, in my opinion, was the yellow lobsters that came in. Then there were the blue lobsters, then the red lobsters, then the green lobsters, then the purple, and now we have the orange lobsters. And what's wrong with this pair? The best part about this sneaker is that, you know, you can get a pair for 60,000, and this brings the history of the sneaker that is worth 25,000 as well. Like जो $25,000 की चीज है, वो आपको 60,000 में same चीज मिल रही है. Just that the color and the things that started. That's the thing.
Personally, ये जो color है, I like it above the yellow ones.
ये
थोड़े subtle दिखते हैं उनसे.
Subtle है, and you know, you can put in the blue laces in them, and you know, it just changes. But the thing with it is that orange को, you know, style करने में थोड़ा time जाता है. You know, you got to wear something off-white, you know, black or below, and then you can put this down. And then, you know, all sums up to a great thing. And then the resale on this is quite subtle right now, to be honest. Like 60,000 for a pair of lobsters is quite cheap, because
you can hold it and make some money.
Right. So what I've thought is that this is my personal pair, to be honest. Like I wear them occasionally, like on good events I wear them with, you know, on parties I would wear them. So I've thought of, you know, doubling up on these. Like I'll buy one and I'll keep them. I'll store them, and I might sell them after a year or two, and I assure that this would sell for ₹1,00,000, like $1,000 easily. You can easily make around 20,000 on this buck if on this shoe if you store them. Keep them brand new. Buy a good size. Buy a UK 10, UK 11, UK 12, or a UK 9. In fact, you know, you can easily print money. So you gotta just understand that, you know, which pair you should invest. Are you confident on that pair?
Right.
That's the biggest thing. Let the market go away, and you know, you just look at the shoe, you just look at the production, कितने बने हैं, कितना मार्केट में आया, इंडिया में कितने चल रहे हैं, बाहर के outside India what's the market going, and you know, just look at this, just feel that हाँ भाई लग रहा है ये जाएगा ऊपर, ठीक है, then buy it. डोंट थिंक, किसी से पूछो मत कि भाई हाँ भाई लग रहा है तेरे को जाएगा, तेरे को लग रहा है जाएगा. Just go with
Have
your
your
gut
own
feeling.
opinion.
Yeah, get your gut feeling that तेरे को लग रहा है, let's go with this. Let's go, we'll keep that. Max to max, if you feel loss होगा. That's a part
या
of
फिर retail
reselling.
पे जाएगा.
Retail पे जाए, you know, in reselling, even in my starting days, I've had, you know, $1,000 का loss, and that time
Okay.
$1,000 was a lot.
Too much.
And you know, when you have started a business and you know you are already using your dad's money,
Yeah.
and you know you can't tell him also that you know $1,000 का loss हो गया एक sneaker पे, you know,
Yeah,
तो ऐसी चीजें हो जाती है. So in start, you know, everyone should you know face losses. I feel जब आप
Losses are
loss
part of business.
losses is a part of business, very rightly said, because जब तक आप loss नहीं face करोगे ना, you won't find कि आपको समझेगा नहीं कि you know how to you know overcome that, इसको कैसे बदले. You know, all these things are very important in life.
Long run के लिए अच्छा है.
Long run के लिए, you know.
If you keep making profits, we don't understand the market.
Market नहीं समझता, right? And you know, taking losses teaches you a lot as well.
That's the
because from this, what I've learned is that you know, sneakers say I've learned so much from you know I roam with people you know who are resellers and they have like 30-40 lakhs ka inventory. I have a friend who recently sold a pair of Tiffany.
Okay.
He's Atharva and he's a very good friend of mine, you know. He's one of the top plugs for in India at least. I'll consider him the best guy to get your pairs sourced.
Okay.
So he sourced a pair of Tiffany F&F.
Friends and family.
Friends and family, right?
Can you explain what does friends and family actually mean?
Yes, sure. So friends and family is exactly जब कोई sneaker collaboration में आता है. Let's take an example of Travis Scott and Nike.
Okay.
So we have seen 5 to 6 pairs of Jordan low, two pairs of Jordan highs, one pair of SB Dunk lows. So इसमें क्या होता है, एक friends and family का lots होता है और and the Jordan 4s जो 3 colors में आए थे, एक olive green में आया था, then we had the purple ones and we had the blue ones. ये तीनों F&F में भी आए थे and the general release was the blue one, Jordan 4 का. So इसमें क्या रहता है, the friends and family, like the word states friends and family.
Friends and family.
So जो Travis Scott के friends and family रहता है, जो Nike के friends and family रहता है, और the brand ambassador of these pairs,
Only the closed
of the brand, they have been given a different set of pairs.
Oh.
तो जो Tiffany का आया था, it was a black pair with a swoosh which was blue.
Yeah.
But in the case of friends and family, the swoosh was black and the pair was blue.
Crazy.
And that pair sells for around 18 to 20 lakh rupees.
Damn.
And you know, when you saw that your you know a best friend of yours, you know, selling that pair, it was a very great moment for me, to be honest, you know.
For sure.
Because he was the first one to bring that pair in India.
First pair in India.
First
guys.
pair in India, and that was sold by him. So you know, you see your colleagues, you know, getting these pairs, selling these, you feel that yes, everyone is growing together.
Yeah.
And I have friends, you know, everyone has good inventory, we roam around together, you know. When you sit with such people, you know, you have your you get different ideas, you know.
Right.
You learn from them, you teach them something that you know, and you know, all in all, you know, everyone grows together. So seeing that, you know, it is a different kind of experience, and it is a great vibe, you know, when we
For
all
sure,
sit
for
together,
sure.
we have a chat about the market and everything. So I love sitting with my friend Sabah and talking about sneakers and everything.
So what do you think? Where is the reselling industry going right now?
So what has happened lately, the 2023 से what I've been seeing, जो अपने Jordans and Yeezys है, सब इतने स्टॉक में आ रहे हैं ना, everyone is getting their pairs for themselves. Like सब लोग SNKRS से ले पा रहे हैं, कोई Nike store से ले रहा है, या फिर कोई abroad जाता है तो abroad में वो जूते पड़े हैं. So what I see is that, you know, अभी से जो sneakers release होंगे ना, they won't give a much ROI on the pairs. Like you can make a quick buck like 2,000 and you can buy 5-6 pairs and make 2,000 each. That makes it around 10-12K.
Yeah.
Not bad, right? So very minimum amount of profits is to be made in the upcoming years, I feel. And max to max, the Jordan highs and the Jordan lows, I feel the hype will slowly depreciate. But the pairs that you see here, like the lobsters, the passport dunks, and you know, all the collaborations and the previous release, like 2022 से पहले के releases, these will always keep scaling in value.
So it's all about the demand and supply.
Right, demand and supply. अभी क्या हो गया, देखो Jordans, I see, you know, people wearing Jordans everywhere. तो जो exclusivity थी ना Jordan पहनने की, I guess वो थोड़ी कम हो गई है. And you know, सबके पास हो गया, तो इतना कुछ बचा नहीं अभी फिलहाल. But yes, talking about the lobsters or the off-whites or the Travis Scotts, when you see someone wearing them and you know that हाँ भाई original है, तो there is a different kind of persona that you know goes in. Like हाँ, आपको लगता है कि हाँ भाई ये जूता है, बंदे ने स्ट्रगल किया होगा, या फिर यू नो मजे कर रहा है यार पैसों के साथ, एकदम एंजॉय कर रहा है, ही इज पुटिंग अप अ शू वर्थ lakhs on his feet, it's a different vibe that comes in, you know, you feel proud
Right,
that, you
right,
know,
right,
you have earned a pair, because wearing these, you know, makes me feel very confident, to be honest, you know, we're rocking something worth so much, and, you know, I always wanted a pair of lobsters, and getting these was a dream come true.
Dream,
Yes,
for
yes, for sure.
But this is the best time for the sneakerheads to cop at retail prices, I guess.
राइट रिटेल प्राइसेस पे आपको जॉर्डन्स मिल रहे हैं, तो लेट द हाइप गो फॉर अ व्हाइल, और आपको जॉर्डन्स मिल रहे हैं फॉर रिटेल, दैट्स नॉट बैड. लेट इट बी टैक्सीज और, यू नो, एनी colorway.
Taxis are good, I guess.
Yes, taxis have gone up as well. Like taxi जो Jordan 1 लो था, पहले लोगों ने बोला यार ये तो बिकेगा नहीं, 9,000 तो MRP है. I have sold pairs for 10,000. 10-12 पैर बेचा 10,000 में.
Okay.
And now those are selling for 13-14,000. पैसे ही नहीं मिल रहे लोगों को.
That's the thing. जो लोग होल्ड करते हैं वो पैसा बनाते हैं.
वही बात हो गया. तो you just gotta have confidence in yourself. You gotta have good amount of money with you. तो for basic people, you know, asking me that, you know, start कैसे करते हैं in the reselling business, you should at least have 2 to 3 lakh rupees of yours. You know, dad से मांगने की जरूरत नहीं. You know, if you are something that you have done ना, you start up with 1-2 lakh rupees. Buy some sneaker, get the knowledge, rather than asking someone about, you know, कि कौन सा जूते में करना चाहिए. You just try yourself. 10,000 का एक जूता लो.
Go with your gut
हाँ,
feeling.
go with your gut feeling. That's what I said. ट्राई करो, स्नीकर खरीदो, स्नीकर बेचो, थोड़ा लॉस फेस करो, थोड़ा एक बार समझो मार्केट कैसी चलती है. बिकॉज आप किसी और से पूछोगे ना, वो इतना एग्जैक्टली बता भी नहीं पाएंगे, राइट. एक आप खुद से स्टार्ट तो करो. एवरीवन इज लाइक मिलते हैं, एक बार बात करते हैं, बट यू स्टार्ट इट, राइट. यू शो मी दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट, then we can, you know, meet and then we can talk about it. You have to start, then you can make a career in this.
That's the
thing. And you know, for kids, you know, like starting from 15-16, I've seen everyone working for this. And you know, starting and earning a little makes your parents proud. And you know, your dads and mom would be like कि हाँ भाई कुछ कर रहा है, from the
pocket money की जरूरत नहीं है.
pocket money नहीं मांग रहा है, खुद के पैसे खर्च कर रहा है, बाहर जा रहा है तो थोड़े पैसे अपने खर्च करेगा. और you know, खर्च करते करते you know, उनको भी लगेगा कि हाँ अभी थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा है, you know, गलत पैसे भी खर्च नहीं करेगा, उसको पैसे की अहमियत समझेगी. This is what, you know, all parents are. My parents would never, you know, want me to, you know, spend money. ये पार्ट कट कर था. माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी. लाइक मेरे को ऐसे सामने नहीं बोलेंगे, बट आई एम लाइक वेरी ऑब्लाइज्ड दैट, यू नो, दे अलाउड मी टू बाय स्नीकर्स, यू नो, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स इतना अलाउ तो नहीं करते ना स्टार्ट में इतने जूते खरीदने. राइट. सो आई एम वेरी, यू नो, thankful to my parents, you know, they allowed me to buy these sneakers, and you know, slowly steadily I've got sneakers. I have around 10-12 lakhs of inventory. मेरे खुद के sneakers 6-7 lakhs के हैं. You know, that's a different. So when my parents enter, you know, some guests come in, and you know, my dad is like, these are his sneakers. So the guests that come in, they're like, ये उसके खुद के ये पहनता है. So my dad is like, yes, ये पहनता है, ये उसके off white वाले. You know, my dad has got into sneakers so much.
That's the best part.
Yes, that's the best part. My dad is like Dark Onyx. He wanted a pair of Dark Onyx. He knows the terms. Yes, he knows. He has a pair of Cedar Dunks. Wow. You know, he wears them everywhere. He, you know, beats the pair. He doesn't care about the pair a lot. He wears them like proper sneakerhead. Crazy. He wears them. He goes to, you know, construction sites for a matter. He'd go them wearing to the native place. Cool. So he just rocks those pairs. So that's the best part, you know. My mom has a pair of Dunk clothes as well. Wow. So entire my family, we have Dunk clothes. So everyone, you know, wears them and goes. So it is like, I feel that it is, you know, completed. Like what I wanted to achieve, you know, from sneakers, at least I feel that I have at least reached that point, you know, where I feel that हाँ भाई थोड़ा कुछ कर लिया मैंने. You know, that's what I feel.
So we can sum it up and say like sneakers अभी एक accessory नहीं रही है. It is more like an investment now.
It is an investment and an asset.
Just like the stock market.
It is an asset, to be honest. It is not an expenditure that you do and you regret. Right. Because either you wear them or you stock them, right?
Your choice.
That's the thing, right? So these are a pair of Panda Dunk clothes.
Panda Dunks. सबको पता है.
Right. और 2022 and 2023 में इसका इतना रीस्टॉक हो चुका है. So I would like to ask you something from my side, that what do you feel about this sneaker, like look wise and, you know, everything, like just give your review about this. I would like to ask you that.
Okay, to be honest, like color वे तो बहुत basic है, black and white. हम लोग maximum outfit के साथ इसको pair कर सकते हैं, और सबसे ज़्यादा go to shoe हो सकता है.
Right.
Like कुछ ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है outfit क्या पहनना है, टी-शर्ट कौन सा pair करना है, और quality wise तो ठीक ठाक है यार, ठीक ठाक है.
Like we can't sugarcoat it on that, but the quality, to be honest, to me is very low on these, and yes.
But beginners के लिए I guess this is the best shoe.
Yes, to be honest, yes.
Like if you're going for your first shoe,
right.
This can be the best option.
Yes, to start off, it is a great thing. And talking about the market on these, In 2021, when I was, you know, quite new to the industry and everything, these were selling for 23-24,000.
Damn.
And उस टाइम पे यू नो आई यूज टू कॉप पेयर्स एट रिटेल. मैंने 10-12 पेयर कॉप किए थे एक साइड से, एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई सोल्ड एवरी पेयर फॉर 20,000 प्लस.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Right. And talking about the market on the pandas right now, I am shocked to be honest, because these sell for around 12,000 right now. Pura
But
10
they aren't bricks right now yet.
They aren't bricks in India.
Okay.
But in Thailand, Malaysia, and on abroad countries, these go for retail.
Can you explain the term bricks to our audience?
Yes, so bricks is exactly, to be honest, what the pairs which don't sell in the market or are at around retail prices or are at retail prices. This term is usually used by resellers, you know, when a sneaker specifically doesn't move, you know, buyers नहीं होते इस product के, तो these are termed as bricks, you know, not movable, like बिकते भी नहीं और अपने इन्वेंट्री में रह जाते हैं. So people avoid buying bricks. तो ये अभी bricks तो नहीं है इंडिया में, because these sell for 12 to 14,000, because in India there's a very big demand for panda dunks. But slowly everything is coming down because इतना restock हो चुका है. I have seen 200 pairs of these coming up at site in 1 second, like अचानक से आ गए 200 pair. And these have restocked so many times. Like I've seen pairs.
Keep on restocking.
These keep restocking. That's what the main reason is for the market to fall. Because जब तक production इसका ज़्यादा बनता नहीं, तब तक market थोड़ी fall होगा. जब तक market में एकदम से इतने pairs आएंगे, तो market obviously कम होगा.
Right.
So it is a very basic thing. When you come into the sneaker market, you all have to just, you know, use your brains a little and, you know, थोड़ा investment करना है. So talking about these, I've seen people buying 1,000 pairs, you know, of these from Thailand. अभी बीच में जो सिंगापुर में event हुआ था, I have seen people buying, you know, pairs, you know, bulk में पूरे भर के कार्डबोर्ड के डब्बों में भरे and इंडिया लेके आ गए. बट उधर उनको शायद से लगा होगा कि बाबा इधर की मार्केट 15-16 है, बट इधर भी मार्केट तब तक ड्रॉप हो चुका है. बट आई नो दोस पीपल माइट हैव सोल्ड दोस पेयर्स ऑलरेडी, या फिर प्री बुकिंग पेयर्स हो सकते हैं, होल्ड करके रख सकते हैं. बट आई डोंट फील दैट दीस पेयर विल गो अप, बिकॉज इतने बड़े रीस्टॉक के बाद आई डोंट फील, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, दैट सो यू शुडंट बी होल्डिंग दिस इन माय ओपिनियन.
सो नए रीसेलर्स को इस पेयर को होल्ड करना चाहिए या नहीं?
If you get this pair below 10,000, yes, it's a must cop. Okay. Above 10,000, not to buy, unless it's a UK 11 or a 10.
Okay, only the big sizes go.
Only big sizes sell out quickly, and these sell for 12-13,000.
12-13.
And जल्दी से move हो जाते हैं panda dunks. If you cop them at retail.
Decent amount है, मतलब 3,000 profit तो easily बना सकते हैं.
If you cop them at 8,300 rupees, that's what the MRP is of the sneaker. You can easily flip this for 11,000. So that's like 3-4,000.
Easy money.
So that's what has happened apparently, and that's much about pandas.
So check करते रहो websites पे and cop them at retail for
You
sure.
might cop them at retail, we never know.
If you are lucky.
If you're lucky, right.
Okay, we will keep them aside.
Let's keep them aside, right.
So that's it for the podcast. Thank you श्रेयांशु, पूरा sneakers का knowledge हमारे साथ बांटने के लिए. हम चाहेंगे आप फिर से एक बार आओ हमारे चैनल पे.
It was great sharing knowledge with you all about the sneakers, and you know, after the sneaker closet tour, it was great, you know, coming here back with you all, and you know, the energy you all bring. It was great, and you know, I hope that, you know, we are again in a video,
For
and, you know,
sure.
talking about sneakers and, you know, spreading the knowledge. And thank you.
अभी तो closet tour और बढ़ गया रहेगा.
I
guess we need another tour.
Right. Surely, you all are always welcome, you know, for videos and, you know, coming up, and, you know, there's always a chance of, you know, talking about sneakers, and I'm always in for this.
I hope to see you again for sure. So that's it for the video, guys. Like, share and subscribe. And do follow us on Instagram for more such amazing content. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.